Good morning dear students. Today we will be doing exercise 8.4. First question is tick the correct division sentence and cross the incorrect ones. So then replace the incorrect division sentence with the correct ones. One is done for you. So here as you can see, this is given to you. This sentences have been given to you. You have to use this formula and then we have to check whether it is coming correct. If it is coming correct, we have to put tick, and if it is coming wrong, then we have to put wrong. So here firstly your first sentence that is given in this question is 110 divided by 9 is equals to 12. So what you will do is this one, okay, that the number that we are dividing, that is your dividend. Okay, always remember this thing, the number you are dividing, that is dividend. Okay, with whom that you are dividing, that is your divisor. So this one left is your quotient 12, dividend is 110, divisor is 9 and quotient is 12. Now the r is equals to 2 is remainder. So now you have to put this formula here. Dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Okay, you have to learn this formula, and if your answer is coming, firstly you solve this thing, and then if your answer is coming equal to dividend, then this is right. Okay, if the dividend is coming equal to this thing, then your answer is right. If it is not coming equal, so it means that answer is wrong. We have to write the correct sentence. So now the divisor is here, as you can see 9, and the question is 12. So you have to multiply first 9 multiplied by 12. You have to write like this only. So 9 multiplied by 12 is equals to 108. The remainder you have to add. So firstly you have to multiply, then you have to add. So 108 plus 2 is 110. As you can see here, this one is RHS, means right hand side. This one is LHS. Here as you can see, LHS is dividend. Dividend is equals to 110. 110 is equals to 110. It means LHS is equal to RHS, and the answer will be correct. This answer will be correct here. I hope that you people will be able to understand this thing very well. Okay, now the second sentence that have been given to you is 104 divided by 6 is equals to 70 and remainder is equals to 1. Now dividend is equals to 104, divisor is equals to 6. This one is dividend, this one is divisor, this one is quotient, and this one is remainder. Always remember this thing. The number you are dividing, that is your dividend. The number you are dividing, that is your dividend, and the number with whom that number is divided, that is your divisor. And this one is your quotient, and this one is remainder. So now dividend is 104, divisor is 6, quotient is 17, remainder is 1. Dividend is equal to divider multiplied by quotient plus remainder. This is the formula that you have to learn. Please do remember this thing. Divisor is equals to 6 and the quotient is 17. So you have to multiply 17 with 6. So 17 6 102 and the remainder here is 1. Okay, so 17 multiplied by 6 is 102, and when you add 1 in that, it is 103. As you can see here, here we are getting 103, but our dividend is 104. So dividend is LHS and this whole part is RHS, means right hand side. So now what you will do is you have to add this thing. If as you can see 104 is different from 103. यहाँ पे 104 है, यहाँ पे 103 है, दोनों equal नहीं है. So it means LHS is not equals to RHS. Dividend जो है वो ये जो आंसर आया उसके equal नहीं है. 104 is not equal to 103. So you will put the cross. You will put cross like this. Now correct sentence will be कितना कम है? As you can see here that only one number is less. 104 is 1 more than 103. Okay, so we will write like this. 6 multiplied by 17 will be like this. Only remainder you will see. Okay, as I need one more, so I have added 1 here. So it has become 2. Now if you multiply, if you solve this thing, you will get the 104 as answer. You will get the equal dividend. If you will check, you will get this equal dividend. It will be same. So 6 multiplied by 17 plus 2 will be same. Now 98 divided by 2 is equals to 49. We have to check. If no remainder is written, it means remainder is 0. So dividend here is 98, divisor here is 2, and the quotient is 49. So you have to multiply quotient and divisor. So 49 multiplied by 2 is equals to 98. Plus you have to add this here, this. Remainder we don't have, so we will put 0 here. So 2 multiplied by 49 is 98. Okay, you will get 49 multiplied by 2 is equals to 98. As you can see here, it is equals to your dividend, means LHS is equals to RHS. LHS is equals to RHS. You will put tick here and you don't need to write the correct sentence. Only when you are getting the wrong, then only you will put the wrong here. This T and E part I have given you homework. I hope that you people will be able to do this question by yourself. Okay, and we will be doing something like that, similar type of question we will be doing tomorrow also, so don't worry. Okay, and if there is any problem, watch the video carefully, properly. Okay, and repeatedly you will be able to do this one. Okay students, bye bye.